Hey, and welcome back to my channel. When you straighten your hair, do you wonder if it'll revert back? Me too, stay tuned. Yo guy, I'm back with another hair video. I had to tease you just a little bit, Ush. I'm sorry, but this hair journey is still very much ongoing. Now for this part, I'm going to show you how I go from straight back to curly my way. Keyword is my way. Now, are you like me and you worry about if this hair is actually going to go back curly? Yo, I'm not playing now. My hair better go back curly. For this, I'm going to be using Tresemme Naturals. No particular reason, just because that's what I have. So that's what I'm using, and I had lots. So I'm going to slather on a whole bunch because really basically, instead of using water, I'm using a lot of conditioner. So I'm just pasting that all over. Like I'm basically drenching all my hair section by section with this conditioner. So I've sectioned my hair into 4 parts. I'm working on the first part now, and I'm just getting all that conditioner in there. I need that baby to soak through because mama needs her curls back. So I'm working it through, making sure that you guys, I'm looking at this and I'm low-key worried because this is looking kind of straight, but we got to trust the process, just keep going, keep slathering it through. Every time you put in more, just rake it through, making sure it's getting through every strand. And I just keep on repeating that. If I need more conditioner, then I add more conditioner because listen, this is not about to happen. This is not about to happen to me. This hair is going back curly. So we're going to do this. And I'm just gonna work it through, and here I'm putting more through. And yo, if I'm making up my face, guy, look, that's because I'm trying not to get this conditioner in my eye them, because my eye seems to always catch something inside of them. So anyways, working that through, and hold on, let me see here. Okay, I see a little bit of wave action back there, so I'm feeling yes, you see that, you guys? You see that? Right. So you just gotta trust the process. So I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm gonna keep working that through, and I'm gonna do that for each section. I know the ends are still looking a little bit straight, you guys, but trust me, it'll go back. Just keep on adding more and keep on raking it through. And to be honest with you, at this point, I'm probably gonna use a brush because I need to make sure that every little nook and cranny is getting the product in there and that it goes back curly. So I'm using my Denman brush, and I'm just brushing especially at the ends. And I'm also brushing because I'm trying to make sure that my hair is detangled so that when I go into the shower to rinse all of this out and wash everything thoroughly, that I'm not gonna get stuck with a whole bunch of tangles, and then I'm me that stuck in at the shower and can't comb out my hair. So I'm making sure that I use the Denman brush from now, get out any loose hairs, get out any tangles, and at the same time, I'm checking to make sure that every strand of my hair is reverting back to curly. So this is how I do it, you guys. I'm also showing you so that you can try it out. If you guys have any other tips or any different ways that you guys do it, please leave it in the comment box below, because I definitely read all of those to make sure that, you know, if there's anything new tips, tricks that I can follow, I'm here for it. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that, you guys. I am probably gonna speed through the rest. Just look there. Jeez, you see that? Why them when they say shrinkage? Because you guys saw what my hair was looking like. Look at that. Look at that poof already. Poof. Look at them curls in the back. Hey. I'm gonna keep on repeating the same thing, adding more conditioner if I need to, one more time. And I'm just gonna keep on doing that until I get my whole hair, you guys. Because the truth of the matter is, just so you know, like I said, this journey is still going. You guys really have no idea what I'm doing. And so I actually have a hair appointment tomorrow, and I'm just prepping my hair for that hair appointment. It took me a while to research salons and make sure that I found someone that I'm gonna trust. Like, you know, I'm a firm believer that energy transfers. So I was very selective with who is going to put their hands in my head or on my head. So tomorrow I have my hair appointment, you guys. So you guys are gonna get to see who and what I did to my hair. It was just time for a change. I mean, I'm going through life changes, which I may or may not share with you guys. Only too fast. I'm joking. But yeah, I'm just going through some changes, and you know, this hair part was one of them. So whether I did cut it or not, you're about to find out. But I wanted to keep you updated on, you know, the process and how I feel about it afterwards. So I'm nervous, you guys. This is definitely something that I have never done before. Or wait, maybe no, I have done it. I have done it before once. But yeah, this is just all new for me. So, you know, let me know what you guys think, and I'm gonna be sure to show you guys all of what's happening. I'm trying my best, like, not to spoil it for you, but it's kind of hard. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much how I get it. As you can see, everything pretty much reverted back. I'm happy. Y'all, I'm happy. And I don't know if anybody else does this, but if you guys don't, definitely give this a try. Just use conditioner only and like completely douse your hair in it. I mean, all of my curls came back. The front of my hair is typically always looser than the back of my hair. So if you see that difference, it's always been like that all my life. So I know that that's not heat damage, but yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Who's that? Is it McDonald? I'm loving it. Anyways, I'm enjoying this. I've enjoyed this hair and the curl process for as long as I've had it, but it's time for changes now. And hopefully you guys will come with me on this new journey and share in the ups and downs. So that's it for this part, you guys. Again, stay tuned because you are about to see what I do. So you guys, I am on my way to the salon right now. All will be revealed and you'll see what my decision was. Stay tuned. I'm excited. I'm super excited. All right, I gotta go. Okay guys, it is officially done. I put on my big bonnet so that you guys can't guess, or maybe you can. So I want you to put down in the comments right now what you think I did. Did I straighten it? Did I lock it? Did I chop it off? What do you think I did? Leave it in the comments below. I'll wait. And I'll let you guys know. If you guessed correct, I locked my hair, guys. So I have officially started today, Monday, December 21st, day 1 of my lock journey. I'll be sure to keep you all posted on this new journey, why I did it. But I just want to give you guys that quick look and just really show you what I'm doing with my life. So this is one of the things is I decided to lock my hair, and I will have another video if you're interested in that to really explain to you the reason why I decided to go this route. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.